Welcome to our in-depth review of the ProtoArc KM310 mechanical keyboard mouse combo paired with the EC200 Ergonomic Chair. Today we are exploring how this innovative office solution is designed to enhance workplace productivity with seamless connectivity and superior comfort. The product is particularly aimed at professionals seeking a blend of efficient typing, multi-device compatibility, and supportive seating, making it a great addition to your home office or business setting. Let's begin with the ProtoArc KM310 keyboard. One of its standout features is the smooth linear typing experience provided by low-profile keys equipped with precise red switches. This wireless mechanical keyboard offers a quiet and responsive environment ideal for uninterrupted work. However, it is important to note that this keyboard is not recommended for gaming due to its focus on office performance rather than rapid input responses typical in gaming keyboards. A further advantage is its seamless multi-device connectivity. You can effortlessly connect up to 3 different devices using either the USB receiver or Bluetooth. The single-button quick switch feature enables smooth transitions between your Windows 7, 8, 10 tablet, Mac OS X system, or even Android devices running version 4.3 or higher. This versatility allows you to maximize your workflow as you manage multiple operating systems and tasks with ease. Turning our attention to the EC200 Ergonomic Chair, it is designed with modern professionals in mind. The chair offers outstanding adjustability, including lumbar support, seat depth, backrest, seat height, a multi-dimensional headrest, and large armrests. With its impressive user capacity, supporting heights from 5.4 to 6.3 and weights up to 280 pounds, this chair has been rigorously tested for 8 hours of continuous comfort. The specially engineered high-resiliency foam cushion with a density of 55 ensures excellent pressure distribution, relieving sacral pressure and providing targeted support for long hours of work. Additionally, the EC200 chair features 4 backrest tilt angles: 90 degrees for upright work, 105 degrees for reading, 120 degrees for phone calls, and 130 degrees for relaxation. This level of customization is a rare find compared to similar products in the market, making it particularly attractive for those who value comfort and flexibility. In real-life scenarios, users have praised the quick device connectivity of the keyboard and the adjustability of the chair in morning meetings or extended work sessions. A potential drawback might be the keyboard's unsuitability for gamers, which should be considered if gaming is a part of your regular activities. For best use, we recommend carefully adjusting your chair settings to suit your body dimensions and using the keyboard's multi-device switch to streamline daily tasks. Overall, this product package is well suited for office professionals who prioritize both efficiency and ergonomic health. Thank you for watching, and hello to all our viewers.